Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to, of course, the final few days of the class. Your final exam is open. I hope that many of you have already started studying and you're ready to get this final exam finished and get a great grade in this class. It is due, of course, by the end of the class period, which is a short week. August 16th, Tuesday, is when the class ends, so your final exam would need to be submitted prior to August 16th in the day, so you can finish it on the 16th, of course. If you have any questions, if you run into any issues, let me know. Of course, you're going to need Lockdown Browser to do this test, and many of you have experience with that already, so that is good. Make sure you watch the review video prior. I actually recorded it last year, and it's been really helpful for students that have gone through this course. So if you run into any issues with the video as well, let me know. Final exam is open, due August 16th by end of day. If you run into any issues, let me know. I'm looking forward to grading quickly, getting your grades out by the next day, and just congratulating you on a great job that you've done. So let me know if there's any questions. I look forward to finishing this course, and I appreciate all your work so far. Thanks so much.